Hello, Internet. How are you guys? So, today I want to share my experience of PhD interview at IIM Calcutta. So, before all, I want to share like how I applied to IIM Calcutta. So, I applied in two streams. One is the PhD in economics, and another is PhD in marketing. And for each stream, you should prepare your application well beforehand because it's a very lengthy form, and you have to gather your recommendations as well. And as each IM does, they require only two recommendations. But the case with the IM Calcutta is that they require four recommendations. So for each stream, you need at least one professor. So I had recommendations from my professor from my Indian Institute of Mass Communication, and other two recommendations I got from outside. And after that, you are supposed to get your calls, and I got my call. I guess in February it was, and my interviews were scheduled in March, 12 March to be precise. And it was scheduled in IIM Calcutta campus, so it was before the COVID-19 situation. So I find myself lucky that I got to visit the IIM Calcutta campus before, because after that I gave a few more interviews for the IIM PhDs. One was for IIM Bangalore, one was for IIM Kozhikode, another one was for IIM Indore, and all of them was scheduled through Zoom or Skype. So the thing about in-campus interview is that in my case, I went IIM Calcutta on 11th, and interview was on the 12th March, and I had to get back to Delhi on 13th. So I had pretty much enough time to interact not only with the PhD students there, but also with the professors. And believe me, it's a valuable experience in that way. So entire thing was like this, that I reached there on 11th. So the IIM Calcutta is not situated precisely in Calcutta per se, but it is situated in the 24 Pargana Jilla. It's like maybe the Noida of Calcutta. So 24 Pargana Jilla, and we took almost 2 hours or something, because the traffic was very slow. It's 35 kilometer, I guess, from Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport. It used to be called Damdam Airport, but from there it took us almost 2 hours for covering a distance of 35 kilometer. But when we reached there, we registered ourselves at the entry gate, and then we went to this management development center. We collected our keys from there, and our accommodation was in a hostel which is meant for the executive PGP students. So we stayed there, and with me there were many students. There were, I guess, 3-4 hostels where the PhD candidates were staying, and the sessions for other programs were not in the run. So MBA's program, they had gone for their internships, or they have been completed for the final year students. We met a few of the students there, and for the PhD programs, I will say that on 11th of March, in the evening, we had an interaction with the PhD students, and also our documentations were checked that evening itself. And I had entire 11th night, I guess, I interacted with 2 or 3 PhD students there. The library is really good there in IIM Calcutta. I even asked the guard there to let me into the library, and it was an enjoyable experience. So I really find myself very happy when I'm in libraries. So one of the happening places in any campus is its library. Next day, on the 12th, we had our interview scheduled from the morning itself. My turn came almost like after afternoon. So it was a 4-member board. So the two the 4 professors, and all of them had expectations only regarding whether you completely stand by your SOPs or not, because SOPs are the criteria on which ground you are selected, you are called for the interview in the first place itself. And then they are expecting that you have a little grasp of the subject for which you have been called. In my case, it was economics, and they do ask about your career path. If you have worked in industry, they will ask about that. And if you happen to have any academic experiences, they will ask about that. Having a published paper is a plus point. And my interview lasted for around 20 minutes. So believe me, like 15 minutes is an average, and for most of the candidate it is over by 20 minutes, and that was it. The question which the professors asked me were based on my SOP, and also they will be asking whether you have read any research paper or not. And it's basically you can steer the interview if you have read some research papers, particularly if you can match your research interest with that of the professors already there, because every course happen to have only 2 or 3 vacancies. So I'm Calcutta, I guess 8 or 9 programs were there: strategy, HR, organizational behavior, IT, economics, entrepreneurship, and this finance, and all those common management related fields. And you should have a grasp of whatever the field you are applying to, and your SOP. Writing about the SOP process, I will say that you should really get into that zone really quick, because you get a chance of like 3 or 4 months for completing your application for PhD programs. So in November or December they will get out the applications, and you have to submit by January most probably. So you get 2 or 3 months. So don't delay it for the last minute, and get your recommendation handy. Prepare for your SOPs very religiously, and prepare for the subject. I will say that they don't demand that you must have a background in that particular subject. Like in my case, I have no background in economics, if the academics is concerned, but they kind of welcome people from all the backgrounds. The number of candidates, or the competition, I will say that they in my case there were 178 candidates for all the streams combined, and for economics alone we had around 29 students competing for 2 positions. The only thing I find very like it should be rectified, the IIM Calcutta should rectify, is that they don't inform you individually whether you are selected or not. So you really have to rely on a WhatsApp group. So they will tell you there that the results have been announced when the people start talking. Those who have got selected, only those who have got selected, they only receive the email from the institute, and those who haven't got selected, they have to rely on your friends who have got selected to, if you don't get an interview from email from the institute, it means you are not selected. That's it. If you have any question about the interview process, the entire interview process of IIMs, because I had faced the interviews of IIM Calcutta, IIM Bangalore, IIM Kozhikode, IIM Indore, or XLRI itself. So if you happen to have any questions on the PhDs in management in any these premier institutes, you can ask me in the comments section below. Thank you very much.